We all have had a set of embarrassing stories. I too have one. Now, I don't really have any memory of that, but thanks to my grandma, not only me, but pretty much everyone associated with me must have had that story. Being a premature baby, I wouldn't put myself under the category of the cute kids, a pink, shrunk baby with a disproportionate body. That was me. So one day, my grandma was sitting next to me and I was busy enjoying my baby life, doing nothing. And guess what? There is something which I still do most of the time. Yeah. Anyways, now sounds can be fascinating for babies, but what I heard that day was nowhere near that. The golden moment for my self discovery came when I.
What just happened? Did my butt cheeks explode? Don't you get along?
Yeah, I cried after hearing the sound of my own fart. So that was all for this video. I hope you like it. Annyeong! To be honest, I still get jump scares when I fart.